How can I restrict a LISTSERV list to subscribers from a certain domain name only? Email lists can be configured in a number of different ways. They can be completely open to the public, allowing anyone to subscribe to the list, or completely closed so that only the list owners can add new subscribers. You can also configure it to allow people to subscribe to the list and access the archives, but only from certain domains. To place this type of domain name restriction on your list, click on List Configuration under the List Management section and select the list that you want to work with. Then click on the Security tab and locate a keyword named Service. Then enter a comma-separated list of acceptable domain names, followed by Update. Now, only subscribers from these domain names can subscribe to the list. If you want to also restrict access to the list archive to these same domain names, locate a keyword named Notebook, which handles everything related to the archives. Use the Access Level pull-down menu and select Service, followed by Update. Now, you have configured an open list that allows people to subscribe to it, but only from the domain names that you entered. Access to the list archives will also be limited to only those who log in with email addresses of the permitted domain names. Everyone else will be denied access. In addition to domain names, the service keyword also allows you to limit access to a specific IP address or block of IP addresses. Thank you for watching.